It's been a weird winter because it's extremely cold, but then it warms up and we lose all the snow. Normally we have snow from December, and then we don't see the ground again until April. And in my area of New York, which is upstate New York. So normally I wouldn't be out. Right now it's into January, so I wouldn't be able to get out into the field right now. Snow would be this high, probably really compacted. You probably need snowshoes to get out here. So we usually don't come out to the field until April. Our first few years, because we're trying to maximize production, and we had these movable tunnels early on, we would come out here and harvest in them. These are two 50-foot movables. They each have 4 spaces to move on, so a total of 8 spaces. And in our early years, we would come out, we would shovel our way in, and then harvest in the middle of winter, carrots, spinach, all of those things. And it was cold. We'd have to wait for it to unfreeze. Movables are, the air can get in. They're not completely sealed. They are riding above the ground. So when things get really, really cold, you maybe not get the best quality out of them. But, they were there and they produced. So now, we don't do that any longer. We don't come out here in the middle of the winter. We overwinter stuff, and we overwinter a whole different selection of stuff so that we can leave it and forget it. We just seal up the house, throw some row cover over the crop, and then just leave it. So we just use it as a way to have something interesting early in the season. Movables really come into play not for overwintering crops, although I want to use every indoor space possible. It's in the spring, and in the spring, we're moving it all the time. And that's not an easy thing to do because it takes a lot of planning. It's the time to really write stuff down, get the dates right, plant right. It takes some work to make the movables pay, but they certainly can with that planning. And it's probably something we're going to talk about more in the spring when we move them. And we'll kind of go through what we're doing and kind of that planning that happens. And we'll show you what crops we have inside once we uncover them. And I just checked and everything's still alive. I couldn't believe it. But all of it's, they're producing all different onions and leeks and stuff, but they're all alive, which is really nice, and they look healthy, which is pretty amazing considering it's a pretty harsh environment out here. But we'll take a look at those in the spring, and we'll also take a look at our spring moves and our progression and what we do. So certainly more to come on movables.